Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, counting down the days until January finally passes, featuring my top 5 favorite plants for winter interest. And today's plants will surely not disappoint. Check out Carex. Now, I'm a huge fan of all Carex, but I especially love the EverColor Series. There are a bunch of different varieties, including Everillo right here, this amazing chartreuse color, all kinds of different variegated forms that I will post the names of. And overall, Carex are just a super low maintenance, high impact plant to grow both in the ground and in containers here in central North Carolina's Zone 7. I planted these here about a year ago and I can't believe how fast they've grown. In fact, I'll have no mulching to do in this bed, courtesy of these awesome evergreen grasses. Now remember, Carex are actually sedges, not grasses, but you can certainly grow them much like you would an ornamental grass. These will actually do quite well in part shade. I've also grown them in full sun, and there are varieties that will grow in dense shade. Overall, Carex are just one of the most versatile plants that you could possibly include into your garden, and I highly recommend that you get busy making a big collection of Carex so that you too will have a sunny spot in the middle of the winter. Carex are also ideal plants to include into containers, especially things like dry window boxes, where their evergreen foliage will look good all winter long. Even in colder climates, Carex can be reliably used as a beautiful landscape specimen. Check this one out on the north side of my house, still completely coated in snow. From shade to full sun, Carex are such adaptable plants. They really do deserve a spot in everyone's garden. Yet another reason to include Carex on your must-grow list is its general resistance to browsing animals. That's right, deer, rabbits, and groundhogs leave this fabulous low-maintenance plant alone. I hope you'll be inspired by this January pick and plan to include Carex in your home garden. And I look forward to sharing my top 3 plants for January interest in the video tomorrow. So be sure to subscribe and tune in. Thanks for watching, everybody.